collection night with Matthew, and we got a workshop presentation in our biology class.
Yes.
What did you learn?
We learned about the carbon footprint. We learned about different foods, different animals, how much carbon footprint they take up, and it was very interesting.
Okay, great. So will you be applying anything in your daily life from what you learned here?
Eat responsibly.
Okay.
Make more responsible choices, think about what you eat and how much carbon footprint it takes up. And yeah.
You had a workshop for the Dutch Caribbean workshop. What did it entail and what did you think about it?
It entailed about CO2 emissions and about food, basically. And I thought it went really well. I thought the presentator was really elaborate and everything went well.
And did you learn something new?
A lot.
A lot,
yes.
Specifically?
Everything about CO2. I learned about the beef over poultry and milk.
We learned how different foods have different CO2 footprints, and my group got to look at cranberry juice, and many other groups also looked at many different things, and we learned where they come from and how they come to us. It was very interesting because you don't realize how certain foods take up so much and how much is needed for us to get it. So
why was this workshop important for the students?
Well, I find it important because they do have the subject ecology, but it's written in books, and a lot of things in books they don't understand because we cannot see it here in Aruba. So for them to have an idea of what it means with the stuff they do see here in Aruba and see what it makes of kind of impact for the environment, it is actually good to have someone else teach them and show them like, hey, what you eat does impact everything outside. So don't just grab something out of the supermarket, because a lot of people just grab and go. Take a look at the back and see what it does to the environment.
Okay. And would you like to have more of these type of workshops in the future? And what would you like to see extra in these workshops?
Ooh, I love these type of workshops because here in Aruba we don't have accessibility like they have in the Netherlands or in the States. You can go to the museum and stuff like that. Or in the Netherlands, when I teach there, you can go with the class to the zoo and show them a lot of things. Here in Aruba, you just sit down and look at books. So if we have other people coming with stuff from outside and they can show them and actually make them use certain things to really understand the book, it will be a lot better.